sound of rain sounds like music tonight. Tapping on windows, whisper secrets in flight. City lights shimmer, reflecting a dance. Each drops a note in this night's grand romance. Puddles are forming like pools of the blues. Street lights are humming a tune we can use. The sidewalk's a stage where we twirl in the dark. Under umbrellas, we've made our own spark. Raindrop Symphony moves through the air. Every drop of melody beyond compare. Listen closely to the rhythm it brings in the heart of storm where the night sings. Moon hides behind clouds, shy for the show, while the thunder cracks a tempo we know. Trees sway like dancers, lost in the breeze. Nature's orchestra playing with ease.